Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the E-Zee Riders channel. Hope everybody's well. First up, shout out to Johnny B in the house, and no relation, Daryl Lewis. Well, I don't think he is, but never know. Hope everybody's well. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. For those returning, what's up? Tonight, doing something a little bit different. Obviously nearly Crimbo, so I thought I'd have a scoot around the neighbourhood and have a look at some Christmas lights. A couple of houses in particular, a couple of miles up the road, they're pretty impressive, doing it for charity. Oh yeah, oh look, Santa. Not sure how well the footage is going to come out in the dark, but we'll soon find out. Let's see what we can see. Got my lights on the bike. I'll show you the rear one later, the E-Zee See Me, oh I can't remember the bloody names, I'll put it on the screen. And the front one, I think the front one's currently on the low setting. That's medium, that's high, excellent. RS something. Again, I'll put the name on the screen. Not like all these other YouTubers that can remember the exact spec of everything. It's just a bloody bright light. It gets brighter and flashes. Bit of drizzling in the air. Just going past the Golden Heart. Winterbourne down, went in there the other night for a meal. Very nice. It's over this little bridge here, over the river through. It's called the Dingle. Generally gets flooded there when the river's high. Up the hill now. Can't wait. First of the night. Bloody hell. Look at that.
They got cars big as bars, they got rivers of gold. But the wind goes right through you, it's no place for the old. When you first took that hand on the Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me.
Mental.
You were pretty queen of New York City when the
band finished playing, they all loved them all. Sinatra was swinging, all the junk they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, go away, babe. And the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day.
The kids having a look straight after school. Pretty good that people put so much effort into it. Raise money for charity. I think there's another one up here. This little village. Oh Christ, there it is. Jesus. He's got scaffolding up on top of his house. What the?
I kept them with me, babe. I put them with my own. can't make it all alone.
All the same colour.
Build my dreams around you. The boys of the NYPD chorus are singing Galway Bay, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
Looks like he's raising money for benevolent funds for servicemen. D-Day. Okay. It's mental. Got an old Queen Elizabeth II poster box there in the wall. That one looks nice up there. I must admit, it does make the houses look nice. Have a quick stop over here on the river, show you the lights. Got two lights on the back, the See-Me one, which is absolutely mint, bright as you like. Then I recently bought a little toe peak clip-on one to go on the tool bag. I don't know if you can see that, but this bottom one here is mental. Best thing I ever bought. Different settings, as you can see. And on the front, got me bright one that you can double click. Does that. All that. Put it on normal. This is on the lowest setting now. And this dark lane. That's pretty bright, but I will put it on the medium one. Pretty good. What's the brightest one? I've got it pointed down quite a bit. Keep blinding people, but decent. Right, let's go and see what else we can find. It really does make a hell of a difference when you've got good lights. I mean, that is just lighting up the road, every pothole. And when you look down, the red light at the back is so bright, lights the bloody road up. So yeah, it makes you feel confident on the bike in the dark, that you're seen.
You promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome.
You were pretty queen of New York City.
When the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the junk they were singing. We kissed on a corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
Lights off.
Juggling there almost dead and tripping that bed.
You scumbag!
Again, raising money for the Bristol Children's Hospital, Wallace and Gromit.
Boys of the NYPD chorus still singing Go Away Bride, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
Big reindeer with a big nose.
I could have been someone.
Well, someone could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
Fair play.
Kept them with me, babe.
Take
I
some
put
preparation.
them with my own. Can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. The boys of the NYPD chorus still singing Go Away Bride, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
That's reindeer. On the left is my people blue and white. For the tent. Right, back at base. That's me Enduro gloves off. There's me top peak little clip-on light. And that is, what was it? See me. You can read that, I ain't got my bloody glasses on. See me something, innit? 300? Yeah. Decent. Very, very good. Highly recommend that light. And then at this end, we have got the RN200. Oh shit, that is proper bright. Light up the garden. Yeah, so I can recommend that one as well. All good in the hood. Anyway, yeah, there I am. Good little spin out. Nice to see the Christmas lights. Just a short one. Might try and get out the weekend, but I've got a few things to do. Like I said, the weather's a bit crappy, so put the Specialized back in its bed for the night. We'll see what comes tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just a short one today. And if you're out on your bikes the weekend, be safe. And don't forget, e-bike miles are better than no miles. Laters.